You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03, live from Satwa studio in a sizzling hot Ahmedabad. Chill with Radio Satwa because dosto, it is cool. Stay tuned, stay cool. 20.03 Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
हॅलो नमस्कार. शुभ नवो वर्षो. नवीन वर्षाची शुभेच्छा. नवे साल दिन मुबारक. नूतन वर्षाभिनंदन टू ऑल फ्रॉम योर आरजे दिशा फ्रॉम सत्व स्टूडियो. भगवान करे न्यू ईयर 2021 में आपको मिले चंद्रगुप्त की शक्ति, मीराबाई की भक्ति, आइंस्टाइन की बुद्धि, नोबेल प्राइज की सिद्धि, माइकल जॉर्डन की सैलरी, अब्दुल कलाम की वोकैबुलरी, वर्ल्ड टूर का टिकट और तेंदुलकर का क्रिकेट, मर्सिडीज की कार और लोगों का ढेर सारा प्यार, अमिताभ की पर्सनालिटी और बहुत सारी पॉजिटिविटी. और वही बात हमारे साथ शेयर करने आ रही है दिया फ्रॉम ग्रेड 11 ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello everyone, this is Dia from 11th Science and you're listening to Satwa on Air. Now, we all know 2020 definitely isn't the most perfect year. But hey, on the bright side, it's almost over. And this new year brings with it new opportunities. But are we going to seize them or just let them pass by? Because we've convinced ourselves that we can't do it or that we don't deserve it. Maybe it didn't start off that way. Maybe it was others who told us this. And then we started believing it. How many dreams did we just stash at the back of our minds and merely fantasize about them coming true because we don't want to try? Perhaps we did try, but then gave up. We didn't try again, try harder. We convinced ourselves that we're not capable. Or whatever excuse we're feeding our minds, which is okay. Because it's human. Imagine yourself 15 years from now. You think you're gonna have forgotten about those dreams? You think you can just squash them out? Well, you can't. And deep down within, you know that. It doesn't matter whether your goal is to get abs or be a billionaire. When you believe in yourself and persist, there is absolutely nothing you can't achieve. So today, I want to share a few things with you that might make 2021 just that much better. And don't worry, they're all based on science. So, there are 4 hormones that determine one's happiness: dopamine, oxytocin, endorphins, and serotonin. Just remember the acronym DOES, DOES, starting with D. Dopamine is released when we accomplish something and get appreciated for it. Then comes O, oxytocin. It's released when we hug someone or put our arms around someone's shoulders. After that, there's E, for endorphins, which get released when we exercise or when we laugh. Last but not the least, S, serotonin, which is my personal favorite because you can increase its levels by eating dark chocolate. Another way of boosting your serotonin levels is by acting in a way that benefits others. When we transcend ourselves and give back to others, or to nature, or to the society, it releases serotonin. So, simply put, accomplish those little goals, hug others, exercise daily, and be nice to everyone. Because when we're happy, we can deal with our challenges and problems in a better way. Coming back to working to achieve our goals. Trust me, you're not always going to feel like doing it. The best athletes don't feel like using every ounce of energy every day on training. The greatest singers don't feel like not having that ice cream. Those people that have made amazing achievements in their respective fields didn't always feel like doing it. It's impossible to feel constantly motivated. You will have that bubbling motivation for the initial 2 days or say 2 months. But you are gonna run out of it. And when that happens, just think about how much that dream matters to you. If it really does, please push yourself and keep going, because you are gonna get there.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त आरजे एकता एंड यू हैव ट्यून्ड इन टू सत्व रेडियो ऑन एयर 20.03. सुनो सुनाओ ज्ञान बढ़ाओ. Sreste Swarm, Sreste Swarm, Sreste Swarm. Are you wondering in which language I'm speaking? Well, you got it right. It's the Russian language. Friends, I am sure we all were under this impression that we celebrate Christmas festival on the 25th December all over the world, right? But not in Russia. To know more about it, let's hear it to Hena Shah of grade 8, who will tell us when is Christmas festival celebrated in Russia.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
Hello everyone, I am Hena today in our own Satwa studio to share you some strange information that you might not be aware about. Do you know Christmas is not celebrated on 25th in Russia? You know what New Year is more popular than Christmas in Russia? Christmas is celebrated on January 7th in Russia. Now, the two most common questions you would get in mind are why New Year in Russia is more popular than Christmas and why Christmas in Russia is celebrated on January 7th. I will tell you. See, how do we usually spend our 7th of January? Probably we wake up early, get ready in the dark and drag ourselves to work before we can even properly open our eyes. Well, not to make you envy, but Russians are enjoying holiday season for the first 10 days of the year. The 7th of January marks Orthodox Christmas in Russia. If you ask a Russian what they usually do on 25th of December, they will mostly answer with go to work, attend lectures at university or some such. It's just another routine day. The 7th of January, on the other hand, is a national holiday for them, the time to go to church service and visit family. The reason behind this 13 days delay is that different countries celebrate Christmas according to different calendars. Once upon a time, there was Julius Caesar, who among many other things introduced a calendar in 45 BC. It was named Julian calendar. After him was predominant in the Roman world, most of Europe and the Americas, there was one teeny tiny problem. It did not properly reflect the actual time, and it takes the earth to circle once around the sun, known as a solar year. It might be only 11 minutes different per year. However, it accumulated significantly over time. The Julian calendar gained a day about every 134 years. By 1852, the difference increased the 10 days. That's when Gregorian calendar was introduced by Pope Gregory XVIII in some European countries. The papal bull decreed that 10 days to be dropped when switching to the Gregorian calendar. However, many countries used the Julian calendar much longer. The switch occurred. The more days had to be omitted. Currently, the Julian calendar is 13 days behind the Gregorian calendar. Soviet Russia adopted Gregorian calendar in 1819. However, Russian Orthodox Church chose to follow the old Julian calendar. 25th of December on the Julian calendar actually falls on January 7th on the Gregorian calendar. So, strictly speaking, Christmas is kept on December 25th, which just happens to fall 13 days later on the Julian calendar. Hope you have a better picture now, and it will put an end to your confusions. Merry Christmas to all.
सबके दिलों में हो सबके लिए प्यार, आने वाला हर दिन लाए खुशियों का त्यौहार। एक उम्मीद के साथ आओ भूले सारे गम, न्यू ईयर को हम सब करें वेलकम। आज हमारे सत्व स्टूडियो में है एक छोटे से उस्ताद जो कि न्यू ईयर को वेलकम नहीं करना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा करने से उसके फेवरेट सांता क्लॉज दूर चले जाएंगे। वो उन्हें भूलना नहीं चाहते हैं। व्रीहा फ्रॉम ग्रेड 3 ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03।
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Hello Satwa, today I'm going to sing a beautiful Christmas song for all of you. You better watch out, you better not cry, better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list and checking it twice. We're gonna find out who's naughty or nice. Santa Claus is coming to town. He sees when you are sleeping. He knows when you are awake. He knows if you're being good or bad. So be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you right. Santa Claus is coming to town.
मैं हमेशा अनुभव करती हूँ, अगर हम हमारे आसपास देखें तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ न कुछ अच्छा होता है। अच्छा करने वाले लोग होते हैं। अच्छाई की सुगंध हम भी अनुभव करते हैं, है ना? तो दोस्तों, ये तो थी आपकी होस्ट एंड दोस्त आरजे एकता की मन की बात। Now let's request Jayashree ma'am to share her matter of contemplation on Sattva on Air 20.03. Suno sunao, Gyan badhao.
Dear ma'am, this is Harshangani from grade 10th. Can you outline some of the roles that parents should play in the school?
How are you doing, my dear Satwites? I'm sure all of you are taking good care of yourself and everyone at home and not harassing your mom with your never-ending demands, right? Children, as the weekend approaches closer, I wonder what question will be thrown at me. I have the same feeling a batsman has while facing the bowler, whether the next ball will be a bouncer, a googly, or a wide. Jokes apart, today I have with me Harsh Sanghani. Harsh, you have asked me a very important question, beta. What role parents have to play in the school? After a lot of deliberation and thinking, I have to say that according to me, it's the role reversal phenomena. All your teachers in school also play the role of parents so that every student feels loved and safe. Only when you feel well cared, you learn with ease and at a faster pace. A sense of security in warm and welcoming environment of Sattva undoubtedly gives each Sattvite the confidence that they can share anything and everything with me. Isn't it correct? I can recollect innumerable incidences when I listened to you and together we found solution to what was bothering you, whether studies or whether competitions or your project on cow products. Child, all of us are well aware learning is a continuous process. As parents have acquired a wealth of knowledge in their respective fields, it would be great if they share their knowledge and teach the finer nuances and intricacies of their fields, which is not available in any books of the world otherwise. They also can discuss and teach the family history and traditions, which again is a real treasure of a family system. On the other hand, as teachers already are playing the role of second parents, that responsibility should not pass on to them. The Sattva teacher sees her students as a continuum of herself. My own teachers have personified this for me. There are times when I think my mannerisms match my teacher's personality more than my own mother. And mind you, I'm talking about what happened 4 decades back. The Sattva mentors treat their students like their own children and watch out for them, making sure they always do their best. So Harsh, as parents already have loads of other things to do for you, they should not be burdened with the process of schooling. Mom and dad can spend their quality time and make the best memories with you. I'm sure now you won't bother mom and dad with your learning. So take care, Harsh. Hope to see you guys soon at school. Take care, stay safe, stay healthy.
You are listening to number 1 radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
नमस्कार, हम हैं ज्ञान गुरु, आपके सत्व के ज्ञान गुरु। तो बच्चों, आज मैं आपको एक घरेलू उपाय दिखाने जा रहा हूँ। अगर आपको सिर दर्द होता है, आंखें दर्द होती है, पूरा शरीर दर्द होता है और अगर आलस भी आती है तो अभी अपने सिर से 11 बार मोबाइल घुमाकर घर के बाहर फेंक दे, फिर देखो आप पे कृपा ही कृपा होती रहेगी। हरि ओम, हरि ओम, हरि ओम।
जब भी हम ट्रैवल करते हैं तो एक अनाउंसमेंट सुनाई देती है, आपका सफ़र मंगलमय हो। और आज हम सफ़र करने जा रहे हैं नेविल फ्रॉम ग्रेड 11 के साथ। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा सफ़र ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03।
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.3.
Hello Satvites, I am Neville of class 11 and I am here to talk about the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Friends, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, it's a freestanding bell tower located in the city of Pisa in Italy. Like its name suggests, it actually does lean to one side of the tower. Do you know when it started leaning? The tower began to lean during the construction in the 12th century due to soft ground which could not properly support the structure's weight, and it worsened through the completion of the construction in the 14th century. By 1990, the tilt had reached 5.5 degrees. The structure was stabilized by remedial work between 1993 and 2001, which reduced the tilt to 3.97 degrees. And do you know how much time it took to construct the Leaning Tower of Pisa? It took 344 years to construct the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Do you know its height? The height of the tower is 55.86 meters from the ground on the lower side and 56.65 meters on the high side. The width of the walls at the base is 2.44 meter. And do you know how much it weighs? It estimatedly weighs 14,500 metric tons. The tower has 296 steps. The 7th floor has 2 fewer steps on the north facing staircases. So thank you guys and stay tuned.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, Rudolph, Olive, Bernie. एक मिनट आप सब सोच रहे होंगे मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? Well, I was recalling the names of Santa's reindeers. To know more about Santa's special reindeer, Bernie, let's all gear ourselves up to listen to Dhanya Mishra from grade 3 on Satwa on Air 20.03. Suno sunao, Gyan badhao.
Hey guys, I'm Dhanya from grade 3 and today I'm going to tell you a story about Santa's reindeer Bernie. Well, we all have heard about Rudolph and his friends, but nobody ever talks about Bernie. Yeah, Bernie the reindeer, that's probably because Bernie was not very special. In fact, he could not do anything at all, and Santa had a hard time finding a job for him to do. Bernie did not like to be outside, so Santa thought, hey, let's put him in the workshop making toys with the elves. But Bernie's antlers were so big that he kept knocking everything over, and the elves were getting very, very angry. So Santa thought, hey, let's put him in the kitchen. He can help to make Christmas dinner. But Bernie liked to eat. He ate everything he saw. He ate the turkey, vegetables, and even the table. But Bernie liked to talk. In fact, he kept talking all time. And Santa thought, hey, wait, we need someone to answer the phone at the North Pole. People are always calling. I think Bernie would be perfect. And now Bernie's the new telephone guy. So not everyone in life has something special they can do, or maybe they just don't see it. But you know, when you look very, very hard, I am sure you will find your special thing. And if you like doing it, you will be very good at it, I'm sure. Thank you for listening.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.3.
देवदूत बन के कोई आएगा, सारी आशाएं तुम्हारी पूरी करके जाएगा। क्रिसमस के इस शुभ दिन पर तोहफे खुशियों के दे जाएगा और वही खुशी हम सबके साथ बांटने आ रही है काव्या फ्रॉम ग्रेड 9 ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03 इट्स कूल।
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
Hark out the bells, sweet silver bells, all seem to say throw cares away. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and old, meek and the poor. Ding dong and dong, that is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how the pound raising the sound, oh, in a tale, telling the tale, carrying the ring, while people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry Christmas. On this and on without end, their joyful tune to every home. Christmas is here, bringing good cheer to young and meek and the bold. Ding dong and dong, that is the song with joyful ring, all caroling. One seems to hear words of good cheer from everywhere, filling the air. Oh, how the pound raising the sound, oh, in a tale, telling the tale, carrying the ring, all people sing songs of good cheer. Christmas is here, merry, 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 merry Christmas, merry, 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 merry Christmas.
सोचा था क्या क्या हो गया। दोस्तों, इस साल क्रिसमस पे हमने क्या क्या सपने देखे थे कि हम इस बार हमारे घर पे शानदार डेकोरेशंस करेंगे। हमेशा की तरह हमारे पास अंकल सेंटा गिफ्ट्स लेके आएंगे। बट आई टेल यू, expectations are always different from the reality. We could have never imagined the way we have spent our times this year, isn't it? Christmas celebration करने के यही दो दौर जो हमने एक्सपेक्ट किया था और क्या रियलिटी में हुआ है हमारे साथ, आपको बताने आ रही हैं स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ ग्रेड 4 and 5 ओनली ऑन योर फेवरेट चैनल सत्वा ऑन एयर 20.03 इट्स कूल।
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
Merry Christmas to all of you. See, my parents have brought us such a big Christmas tree. But it is still not decorated. Let's decorate it. Wow, I have so many things for decorating my Christmas tree. This little snowman. It will be go here. Then there are gifts also. Wow. I have chocolates. Wait, I'll put it here. I have a ball. Wow. I should on the lights and see how my Christmas tree looks. Wow, it looks so good. I think so my Christmas tree is perfect. And you will also decorate your Christmas tree like this.
That's it! Only this much number to decorate my Christmas tree with. इससे तो बस डांसिंग हो सकता है. But I know this is not for dancing. It's to decorate my Christmas tree with. Let's think what I can do. Oh no! क्या हो गया ये? क्या सोचा था?
Wow! Christmas gifts! Yay!
Digvir, I am elder to you, so my gift is bigger than you. Let me open it first. Oh wow! A doll! My favorite!
Didi, so what if my gift is small in size? I am sure Mummy Papa has given me something interesting. Come Didi, let's open it. Wow! A car! I always want this.
नास इतनी सी पेंसिल, खोदा बाहर निकला चूहा। इस लॉकडाउन में मम्मी डैडी तो बाहर जा नहीं सकते, इसलिए घर का बचा कुचा सामान ही इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा। दीदी दीदी, तेरा जो गिफ्ट होगा वो हम दोनों शेयर करेंगे प्लीज दीदी। ओके, ये क्या है, चलो देखते हैं। सिर्फ एक पेन, ये क्या मजाक है, सिर्फ एक पेन, ये तो तुम ही रख लो।
It's Christmas Eve और मुझे पता है इस क्रिसमस पे सैंटा क्लॉज मेरे लिए कुछ स्पेशल गिफ्ट लेके आने वाले हैं। Let me hang up this sock up there. अब तो मैं सोने जा रही हूँ। अरे अरे, सुबह हो गई है, चलो चलो देखते हैं कि सैंटा क्लॉज मेरे लिए क्या क्या लेकर आए हैं। ओह वाओ, सो यम्मी, माय फेवरेट कैंडीज। ओह मेगा मजा, दिस इज द बेस्ट क्रिसमस गिफ्ट आई एवर गॉट।
इट्स क्रिसमस एवा और मुझे लगता है कि इस क्रिसमस में सैंटा क्लॉज मेरे लिए कुछ स्पेशल गिफ्ट लेके आने वाले हैं। लेट मी हैंग दिस सॉक्स देयर। अब मैं सोने जा रही हूँ। अरे सुबह हो गई, चलो चलो देखते हैं सैंटा क्लॉज ने क्या गिफ्ट दिया है मेरे लिए। एक मिनट, इसमें तो सैंटा का कोई मैसेज है।
Ho 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 ho! Dear Navya, I got your wish list. But sorry, my child, this year I cannot give you what you wish for, but giving you what you need. I hope you will love it. And also, my dear, remember not to step outside your house unnecessarily and keep yourself safe. God bless you. Ho 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 ho.
अरे इसमें तो मैसेज के साथ कुछ और भी है। ये क्या, सैनिटाइजर और मास्क? All my expectations went into van. मैं तो इससे परेशान हो गई हूँ सैनिटाइजर और मास्क यूज करके।
Merry Christmas!
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle
Oh! I am all set to give gifts to my lovely children. Oh! Merry Christmas to all of you. Merry Christmas! Oh, this beard, it is causing itching to me. And this pillow, how can I stuff it inside? It is not going. How can I stuff it inside? And in this pandemic time, I cannot even go and give gifts to my lovely children. Nothing is going right.
આ વર્ષની શરૂમાં તો 26મી જાન્યુઆરી ઉજવી, ઉત્તરાયણ અને વાસી ઉત્તરાયણ પણ ઉજવી, જોરદાર પતંગ ચગાવ્યા અને પછી ભારદોરીમાં જે આપણી ફ્રીડમનો પતંગ કપાયો છે, આખું વર્ષ લચ્છા જ વીંટી ખાધા અને સાથે સાથે લોકડાઉનમાં અવનવી વાનગીઓ પણ ટ્રાય કરી, હે ને? હાલો તો તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ ગ્રેડ 8થી દીતીની સાથે, એ આપણને કંઈક નવું ખવડાવે છે. સાંભળતા અને માણતા રહો સત્વ રેડિયો 20.03.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.03.
Myself, Diti Agrawal, is with you today in our own Satwa studio to relish mouth-watering Kathiawadi cuisines. Do you know the vibrant and the rich Gujarati cuisines in general consist of 4 regional cuisines? They are Kathiawadi, Kutchi, Surti and Ahmedabadi. Each of these regions has a distinctive flavor associated with its local food that brings their own uniqueness to the Gujarati cuisines. Each dish has a blend of flavors, sweet, sour and spicy. Despite having a coastline with abundance of seafood, Gujarat is a vegetarian state due to the high influence of Jain and Hindu traditions. The authentic Kathiawadi thali is a treat with wide varieties of starters, main course, side dishes and desserts. Let me share with you few popular Kathiawadi delicacies. Ringan no oro. It's a spicy, hot and tangy dish made with aubergine, char-grilled aubergines, mashed and cooked with fresh tomatoes and spices. Lasagna bateta. This is a spicy, hot, garlic flavored potatoes cooked with onion, tomatoes and spices. Undhiyu. Undhiyu is one pot mixed vegetables. Casserole cooked in a clay pot. A pot filled with vegetables. Spices is buried underground in a large furnace covered by a pile of dried leaves and are set alight to cook. You know what traditionally this dish is cooked upside down? And the name comes from the Gujarati term undu, which means upside down. Bajrano rotlo. It is a plain flat bread made with pearl millet flour. This healthy and the nutritious millet bread makes a good option for a lunch and dinner. Guwar dhokli nu shaak. Oh, it's a main course dish made with flour, dumplings and cluster beans. Methi thepla, the most favorite of mine. It's just a simple and the versatile flatbread made with wheat flour and fenugreek leaves. This soft flatbread makes a perfect breakfast, evening snacks or for dinner, especially for Gujaratis. Now, let me also tell you about the famous desserts of Kathiawadi. Puran Poli. Puran Poli is a jaggery lentil stuffed flatbread that makes a perfect after meal dish. Well, tell me, are you enthralled by the rich and the vibrant varieties of Kathiawadi food? You don't need to travel all the way to India to taste it. Enjoy the authentic and the true Gujarati delicacies at any Kathiawadi Gujarati family or the famous restaurants in our city like Ahmedabad, like Govardhan Thal, Ankut, Gopit, Grand Thakkar. So what are you waiting for? Go and visit any of these places with your family and friends to experience the real taste of Kathiawadi food. That's all, friends. We'll soon come again with something new to share with you all. Thank you. Take care all.
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
आ गए दिन लौट के कंबल रजाई के, सबने पहने ढेर से कपड़े, चाहे दुबले चाहे तगड़े, धूप सेकते आग तापते, फिर भी रोज ठिठुरते, कान तक आ गए टोपे छोटे भाई के, धूप देखकर यूं लगा जो मिल गई नानी, और पापा सा लगा प्रिय गुनगुना पानी. By now, you must have guessed which season I'm talking about. So to tell you more, let's hear it from Ashvi Shah of Grade 4 talking about the winter season.
Hi everyone, I am Ashwisha from Satva Vikas School. I study in grade 4. Today I am going to talk about my favorite season. Yes, winter. Winter is one of the most important seasons in India. Winter is the coolest season that starts from December and lasts till March. The peak time when winter is experienced the most is in December and January. In India, winter holds great importance. In addition, the essence it has is admired by many people. It is a great time for kids to enjoy their vacations and get cozy in their blankets. During winters, schools usually take a break and close down. During the winters, the days are shorter and the nights get longer. The chilly mornings give you a different sense altogether. The sun rises quite late and sometimes it does not. Hot drinks like coffee, tea and hot chocolate are enjoyed more during winters. Also, some of the best Gujarati delicacies like undiyu, totha, pong, vadwani marcha are specialties of the winter season. People prefer to have vasanas like Aradhya Pak, Kundar Pak, Chavanprash, etc. to maintain good health. Also, people prefer to plan and organize weddings and other auspicious occasions during the winter so that they can enjoy with different varieties of food with their relatives and friends. Truly, winter brings such a joy and happiness in almost everyone's life. So friends, enjoy the most amazing winter season.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Satwa 20.3.
हम फिर से उपस्थित हुए हैं। हम हैं ज्ञान गुरु, सत्व के ज्ञान गुरु। क्या आप फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप की मदद से पैसे कमाना चाहते हो? अगर हाँ, तो दोनों जल्द ही डिलीट कर दो और काम धंधे पे लग जाओ। फिर देखो, ओम नमः शिवाय, नमः शिवाय, नमः शिवाय।
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
डे बाय डे आपकी खुशियाँ हो जाए डबल, आपकी ज़िंदगी से डिलीट हो जाए सारे ट्रबल। खुदा रखे हमेशा आपको स्मार्ट एंड फिट, आपके लिए न्यू ईयर हो सुपर डुपर हिट। और इसी एक्साइटमेंट को बरकरार रखते हुए आज हमारे साथ है और अपने नए साल की बात करने आ रही है जयस्विनी फ्रॉम ग्रेड 2 ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03। इट्स कूल।
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
हेलो दोस्तों, मैं लाई हूँ नए साल की शुभकामना। नया साल है, नई उमंग है, नया आस है जीवन में, नई सोच है, नई तरंगे है, नई प्यास है जीवन में, करना है कुछ नया नया, अब नई बहार है जीवन में, सपनों को सच करना है, अब नया चाह है जीवन में, नया साल है, नई उमंग है, नई आस है जीवन में।
Radio Satwa, brand new, epic.
Graphs are like flowers, always growing. Different shapes, various types. Numeration is a murderer. Where 7, 8, 9. Division is like friends. You have to share with both. Where multiplication is like animals. It's always getting bigger. Addition is a birthday party with presents galore. Subtraction is like an ice cream. They both disappear, but I know someone who likes them. And he is my peer. Yes, friends, for all the mathematics lovers, do you know what is so special on the 22nd December? No, right? So let's hear it from Heth Patel of grade 7.
Everyone, this is Heth from grade 7. I am here to share something special about 22nd December. Do you know what do we celebrate on this day? Yes, the National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December. The Indian government declared 22nd December to be the National Mathematics Day. This was announced by Prime Minister Manmohan Singh on 26th February 2012 at Madras University during the inaugural ceremony of the celebrations to mark the 125th anniversary of the birth of the Indian mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. He had made remarkable contributions in various fields of mathematics and its branches. On this occasion, Prime Minister also announced that 2012 would be celebrated as the National Mathematics Year. Since then, India's National Mathematics Day is celebrated every 22nd December with numerous educational events held at schools and universities throughout the country. In 2017, the day's significance was enhanced by the opening of the Ramanujan Math Park in Kuppam in Chittor, Andhra Pradesh. Thank you and have a nice day.
Radio Sattva, brand new, epic.
खुदा से क्या मांगो तुम्हारे वास्ते, सदा खुशियाँ हो तुम्हारे रास्ते, हंसी तुम्हारे चेहरे पर रहे कुछ इस तरह, खुशबू फूल का साथ निभाए जिस तरह। क्रिसमस की बधाइयाँ। और हमारी अनुश्री फ्रॉम ग्रेड 7 वो भी आपको विश करना चाहती हैं उसके अपने ही अंदाज में, ओनली ऑन सत्व रेडियो 20.03।
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding. Oh, bring us some figgy pudding and bring it right here. Tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. Bring it right here. Tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. All like a figgy puddings. We all like a figgy puddings. We all like a figgy puddings. All it's good cheer. Good tidings with to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
आप सब प्यारे लिसनर्स के साथ ये लम्हा कैसे बीत गया कुछ पता ही नहीं चला। बट नॉट टू वरी, when your host and host Ekta is here, we'll be coming again with lots more in the next session only on Sattva on Air 20.03 for the Sattvites by the Sattvites. It's cool.
You are listening to number one radio station, Radio Sattva 20.03, live from Sattva studio in a sizzling hot Ahmedabad. Chill with Radio Sattva because दोस्तों it is cool.